In this video, I will show you at least 5 websites that you can use to get free Photoshop or PSD resource file or for free. Let me show you how. For the first one I have on my list right here, if you come to your browser and then you come to this particular website, you go to www.allfreedesigns.com. It's going to take you to this particular web page right here. And in this particular website, there are a lot of things you can get. You can get design inspiration, exclusive, free font, Halloween and Atom resources right here, templates and mockup and vectors as the case may be, all for free. So if you click on resources right here, you see all available free resource that you can use for your Photoshop, just like so. The second website I have for you here, if you come to your browser and then you come to this particular website, which is known as myphotoshopbrushes.com, is another great free Photoshop resource collection for every Photoshop user. So they have about 1,600 plus resource plus 91 million downloads so far, and auto as the case may be. You can just simply navigate on the site and get any resource for you that you want or for free. Come down below right here, click on free PSD, and then it's going to give you all available free PSD resource file, just like what you see right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see all free PSD file right here. I'm interested in this one right here, so I'm going to simply click on it. These are all different types of arrow in Photoshop. So if you want to get any one of them, so I'm getting to the download page right here, read the details and come to the top right here. Go ahead and hit on free download right here, and then in a few seconds your file is going to be prepared just like what you see right here. Go ahead and hit on save, and you got that for free. The third one I have on my list right here is this particular website right here. If you come to psfiles.com, here you can get different types of free brushes, mockups in different category, effects as far as concern, social media templates in different types of category, just like so. And then these are all free tools right here that you can as well use on this particular website. So this is the third one. Let's take a look at the fourth one. The fourth one I have for you here, if you come to your web browser and you visit this particular website, brushes.com is another great collection for every Photoshop designer. Free Photoshop brushes and PSD file you can get in right here from this particular website. The very last on my list right here, if you come to your web browser and then you visit this particular website, Vertix.com. This is another great collection of different kind of free resource for designers. On getting to the site, just come to the top right here. You can browse by if you want a video free template, you want photo template, you want editorial, click on more right here. You see tons of different free resource such as motion graphic file, templates here, bundles, SVG file, PNG file, and likewise PSD, logos, banner, text effect, business card, and etc. It's that simple. Let me know what you think about some of these websites in the comment section down below. And for more useful resources like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.